Class Pro enhances interactive teaching and knowledge capture by connecting multiple devices in the classroom. It enables teachers to plan and organize lessons on a computer and facilitates teaching through IFP. Students can also utilize Class Pro to enhance their learning experience. Next, let's introduce how to use Class Pro to prepare lessons on the computer. Teachers have two ways to create presentations. 1. Teachers can upload existing presentations through Google Drive or their local device. Class Pro supports common presentation formats like PPT, PDF, Google Slide, Notebook, and Flipchart. Once uploaded, the presentations appear in a list and can be used repeatedly. 2. Teachers can also create new presentations directly in Class Pro. Teachers can also prepare simulation experiments and activities in Class Pro. Class Pro has a wide range of built-in games and over 100 simulation experiments in various subjects. After creating the presentations, teachers can import and manage their classes in Class Pro. Class Pro supports importing classes through Google Classroom. Alternatively, teachers can also customize imports by sending invitation links to students or using Excel to import data in bulk. Once everything is prepared, teachers can open Class Pro on the IFP to conduct their lessons. This is the homepage of Class Pro on the IFP, and we provide 3 login methods. 1. Enter the Class Pro on the computer and then enter a 6-digit code shown on IFP. 2. Scan or code and log in with mobile phone. 3. Enter account and password directly on the IFP. Once logged in, teachers will be able to see all the uploaded course materials. Select the necessary one to start class. After selecting the course materials, the teacher needs to choose the corresponding class. Once the class is selected, the students in that class will receive an invitation to join the class on their devices.
Teachers can easily connect and synchronize their actions in Class Pro via the IFP. Students also receive teacher actions, such as timers, on their pads. While the teacher is explaining, students can take notes on their own pad and extract the most important content. Teachers can view the screens of students' devices in real time and select one student's screen to project, sharing their outstanding learning progress. Besides presenting students' performance to the class, teachers can also use the evaluation function to provide feedback on students' performance and inspire motivation and confidence. The teacher can assess understanding by randomly selecting a student or asking the whole class a question. Randomized student groups can be created for collaboration.
In Class Pro, teachers can find various interactive tools that can be used in the classroom. For example, they can start an activity and send it to students, who can engage with it using their own devices. Additionally, teachers can use Class Pro on IFP to demonstrate experiments. Show the steps, principles, and results of the experiments to help students understand and learn better. Teachers can also send these experiments to students so they can try out on their own devices.
If teachers are worried about students being distracted by other apps, they can activate focus mode and students will automatically focus on the teacher.
Class Pro enables hybrid class with live session. Students can join a class from anywhere, which makes it easier to interact with teachers and classmates, boosting participation and connection. After the class ends, all the class data will be automatically stored in teachers' and students' accounts.
Lesson data is stored in the cloud for review. Teachers can assess response rates and interactive data. Students can review history lessons, organize class notes, and complete their review.
Teachers can view and export reports of quiz on Class Pro.